Hi, in this video, learn how to change your website logo. So, if you want to change the logo of your website, so this can be changed from the Movie One CMS using the video or visual designer. So, to change the logo of your website, so navigate to website templates, and then under the template, click on customize. Now you can see the VD interface here. So, this is the logo, current logo, that is the default logo of this particular template. Now, if you want to add your own company logo or brand logo, so just click here and then click on edit logo. And now you can see on the right hand side, so there is an option to upload your logo. So click here. So you can either select the logo from the asset library that you have already uploaded, or you can directly upload it from your computer. Select the logo from your computer. So as you can see, the logo is now uploaded. So there's some option available to adjust the height, width, spacing, or the position of the logo that you can change from these settings. You can also add some background colors, borders, all these settings that you can manage from here for the logo. And here, even if you want to change the logo size, you can use the drag and drop option here. As you can see, even you can move the logo to any part of your home page. So here you can see the logo is added. Now you can make the changes and save the changes here. Just click on save and publish. So all the changes that you have made will be saved and published. So as you can see, the logo of your website is now changed, and it is reflecting on the website. So this is how you can change the logo of your website. Thank you for watching.